Sanjana, Onco nutritionist from ZenOnco.io. Today we shall be speaking about the balance between modern nutrition and also traditional nutritional science, especially which is important for the cancer patients as well. How both modern nutrition science and traditional nutrition are going to be synergistically playing a role in helping the cancer patients during their treatment journey. So, integrating a modern nutritional science with the traditional Indian dietary practices, this offers a holistic care to nutrition, especially for the cancer patients as well. Modern nutritional science is going to be providing evidence based guidance which is based on the nutritional which is needed to support the body through the cancer treatment. This is specifically going to be emphasizing on the importance of a balanced diet which is rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and other essential nutrients as well for promoting the health and the recovery. So now what is traditional Indian practices? Now traditional Indian dietary practices will be emphasizing on the importance of food as a medicine. The, the most popular quote by Hippocrates, food thy medicine, medicine thy food, is exactly what it means over here. Incorporating traditional Indian dietary practices and incorporating such foods, it acts as a medicine for our body. It is essential to incorporate a wide variety of spices, herbs, and also whole foods which are known for their health promoting properties as well. This balanced approach can also lead to a personalized nutrition plan, and it has to take into consideration the patient's medical history as well. Every individual is different, no one size fits all. Everyone's nutritional requirements also are going to be varying. So it is very important to understand the patient's medical history, their dietary preferences, and cultural practices as well. It is very important to know this because it is not only going to support the physical aspects of healing and wellness, but it will also ensure to respect the patient's heritage and the beliefs as well. Now let's take for its instance traditional practices wherein we use turmeric for anti-inflammatory properties, and when you say modern advice, we focus on the importance of omega-3 fatty acids which help in reducing the inflammation, and this can harmoniously be integrated into a cancer patient's diet. When we speak about traditional Indian foods, we mainly like herbs and spices. So you have cardamom, cloves, you have also your elaichi as well, you have cinnamon, and you have certain herbs also like ashwagandha is there, licorice is there. All of these are going to be having medicinal properties. They're also going to be having an impact on the gut health as well, so that it will support the overall well-being of the patient also. When it comes to modern science, we mainly look into the aspect of how we can ensure that the patient is going to be getting adequate amount of nutrients, especially vitamins and minerals also, because even if minerals might be required in a smaller quantity, they are going to play and have an impact on the at the cellular level also as well. So when we speak about the natural supplements or the natural ingredients like curcumin, or maybe say for example grape seeds, so all of these are having functional properties as well. They are considered to be the functional ingredients also. So hence, yes, modern nutritional science and the traditional Indian practices do have a synergistic role to play. Now see, in the olden days, people weren't aware of what is meant by omega 3. They were not knowing even what is meant by maybe curcumin, or what is the role of resveratrol and all. As the days went by, as you know, we did the changes and all, and when research was coming into picture, that is when people realized and found out that yes, there are certain essential components like omega 3 also, which is an immunonutrient, and a lot of studies are being performed on this to understand its role in cancer patients, because omega 3 plays a very important role in reducing the inflammation in the overall body as well. In the traditional Indian dietary practices, what we see, so earlier the people used to be using natural homemade ingredients, as I had listed out earlier, as well as a cure for a patient also. There were, that time the people used to eat all organic food, and the food which was produced was fresh also. Nowadays if we see, yes, there are a lot of changes which have come into the diet. So many different types of foods and vegetables are there in the market nowadays, which also have beneficial properties for the cancer patients. Taking this synergistic role into consideration, it is also important to manage the side effects and the symptoms also of the patient as well. As we had mentioned earlier, an example about curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory properties, so does omega 3 have anti-inflammatory properties as well. We also have probiotics, like for example curd and buttermilk, which we already drink in our households or have, because yes, it is good for the gut health. Nowadays we have also probiotic rich supplements, or supplements which are there, which sometimes the doctors might advise also. So to conclude, yes, modern science and also traditional Indian practices do have a synergistic role to play, as they are going to have a beneficial impact on the overall health of the patient. Thank you so much for watching my video. We at ZenOnco.io are here to navigate you through your cancer care journey. For further assistance, you can surely reach out to our cancer coaches on the below mentioned contact number. Thank you.